Monster Truck Races is to be sure to stop as our little mini monster is going to do a little remote control action on the floor for a few more minutes before we're ready to get things going here in the Salt Palace. Good to have you here. To the superstars of monster truck racing in the major leagues. Awesome Cone Chevrolet, please welcome Steve Kane. Here's Kevin Hockney and Burley Tay. There's Pablo Cruz and the top of the board. Please welcome the 1980 Chevrolet, his troublemaker, Matt Peterson. Again, Nick Jackson and the Rocky Mountain Thunder, Ford. The master of disaster, Chevrolet, Doug Spanier. GMC, known as Whiskey Business, here's Ken Yeffy. Known as Track Life, here's Dave Watson. And the no problem Ford Bronco, John Moore. The Mad Dog Chevrolet, Ron Reed. It's the King Prince Chevrolet, Scott Stevens. Starring Marvin Smith on the Wild Hair Chevrolet. The West Madison, Utah, Rocky Mountain High, John Valdez. Steve Wilkie and USA 1. Andy Brass and Big Boy. So we'll see how good a shot. Right there.
Dumping up makes the thing some damage. USA 1 is toughen up. Well, it doesn't have any front sheet metal damage left anyway. Steve's all right. Steve yelling over to Pablo to see if he's all right. Running for the championship of the Renegade CMT Monster Truck Challenge. You can't back off at all. And your good shed's got to be ready to go well full till tomorrow afternoon.
Little Mini Monster is just kind of getting us ready to go here, I'll tell you what.
Machines 10 to 15,000 pounds line up side by side with mostly these alcohol-blown injected engines and go to all-out war over a course that is nothing but junk cars. I think I used to drive a couple of these things out there. They are out there and they provide the wildest course in any form of racing today. Ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen, you see them each week on Tough Tracks. You see them on ESPN on the Nashville Network. These guys are the true superstars of monster truck racing. Their vehicles are out, they're lined up, and what we would like to do right now as we get ready to go to war here in the Salt Palace is let you... From Jefferson City, Missouri, it's the Whiskey Business GMC, Ken Duffy! Ken Duffy and Whiskey Business. How they walk, okay? You very serious? Salt Lake City. How do they walk here? Yeah, looking good in Salt Lake City. Yes, indeed. Little moonwalk. Hey, kids, let's hear a big hand for our own Go-Go the Gorilla. Not so much.
We're catching up.
And you had a great run today. Hey, Salt Lake City, here's your winner, Andy Brass and Big One! Come on over here, Scott Stevens. A great run today. Chevy people, I tell you, he gave it a great run. Here's Scott Stevens and King Brown.
We're getting ready to go. Watch this little remote control mini monster. This thing's something else. Yeah, watch this guy crash the cars. That's the little Rocky Mountain truck right there. Whoa, hold on there, big boy. Look out! Oh. There's Steve Wilkie, and like one of those USA 1 flips. There it goes again. sorry about that, Steve. No, sometimes you just think of things you don't think of, you know?
World champion, world champion, from St. Louis, Missouri.
By the way, the Troublemaker team wants to thank Utah Chassis and Big. Took over from the world champion. Grand Island, Nebraska, Dave Wadsworth. Did you order this? You can't do this. You're on a daggone job. Are you going to share this with everybody in here? Man, you are being rude. Huh? Go to the grill right there. I can't believe you come eat this pizza in front of us. I'm ashamed of you. Go get a pizza in here in front of everybody. Because you ordered a pizza in the middle of the show. Alright, we'll sit here and watch. What's your problem? You done got your anchovies on or something? No bananas up? Somebody cut it! It doesn't hit it! Hey, whiskey! Look at whiskey business, go! Look at your man Ken Duffy here, whiskey business. Is that a good pizza, Ken? Does it taste pretty good? Oh, and he left me the crust! Here's your buddy right there. Your pizza, and he ate it. And, oh, look out! Ken, I'm glad you got those good feet. Another pretty sticky wicket, don't you, buddy? Yeah, your buddies, boy. They were taking care of you, weren't they? You want to see how you walk in Salt Lake? Come on, give me some encouragement. That's it. Here we go, Salt Lake. Oh, don't do that. They do that. Go. Stop it. Hey, you stop it, go. They don't walk like that in Salt Lake City. They do not. I'm ashamed of you. Hey,